How to get reply option on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the reply option on Instagram. So let's get started. Sometimes when we are right now in our DMs on Instagram, we do not get the reply option to some of the messages. So how to get it? You can see right here that we have reply option. So how to actually get that option. So for that, you will actually have to go to your profile, and then once you are on your profile, you have to click on these three lines right here at the top corner, and it will open up a few of the settings for you. Here, you will actually find the update messaging option, or you can go to settings, and here you will be able to actually get the update messaging option, and you will have to update your messaging. Once you do, you will get your option. Second, you can go ahead and update your Instagram app from your Apple Store or Google Store. That will also help you get the reply option. These are the two ways you will be getting the option because it's really normal and maybe your Instagram is not updated or you will get it after some time. But try updating your Instagram and it will work. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.